We are downtown Columbia, Mississippi for the Columbia Christmas Festival. Joining us now, Chris Smith, President and Chief Lending Officer for Citizens Bank, and Leitha Williamson, Vice President and Marketing Officer for Citizens Bank. Beautiful day down here in Columbia, Chris. Everybody's getting excited and ready for the Christmas festival.
Yeah, we've been watching them get ready for about the past 6 weeks, and we're honored to be one of the sponsors again this year of the Experience Columbia Christmas. It's been interesting to watch how this continues to grow year after year. I think we saw you last year and visited with you, and we ended up having the second ice rink last year. Now they've got a new Christmas tree that's going to be out at Bluff Street Park. It's just every year they just continue to outdo themselves.
Yeah. So, Leitha, as a Chief Marketing Officer, Vice President, I should say, Marketing Officer, does this help market the bank? When you're marketing Columbia and marketing the Christmas festival, does the bank benefit from that?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We benefit very much from partnering with Experience Columbia and all the events that are going on downtown in Marion County Development Partnership. It brings more people into Columbia. More people see our bank. We're able to give exposure to the bank. And anytime we can help promote Columbia, we feel like we're helping to promote our bank, and that's what we're here for.
Yeah, we had Jacob and Laura on earlier from Experience Columbia, and they were talking about how Columbia has become a community that retirees have sought to settle in and to take up their residence. I just wonder how much of that's because when they get exposed to this Christmas festival and many of the other events that Columbia presents, that they like that, they see that, they say, hey, I think that's the place I want to live.
Yeah, I think it has a huge impact, and the interesting part is these people that are coming in from out of state, they seem to be buying in town, in the city, which, most of the times through the years, the last 20 years, people are buying outside in the counties, and the cities have kind of gotten to where they're more rental properties. But we're seeing now in Columbia that's changing, where these houses that are getting bought and renovated are in the city limits and actually pretty close downtown to the main street, and that's a big thing for our city, and I know that's something that Lori Watts and her crew have looked at for years. And how do you develop your main street to bring people in, and this has been a huge impact on that.
So, Chris, since last year, the interest rate environment is a little bit different over the last 12 months. How's that affecting the bank's business in terms of lending, both on the consumer and the commercial side?
It is. It's a challenge for sure. When people, this time last year, you were talking about on a commercial rate, you were somewhere in the ballpark of 4%, and now you're at 7%. That's a big deal. Yeah. And and some people had plans last year of it's just taking them a while to get across the finish line, and that's just when you start looking at how this impacts their cash flow, it's just a big issue. I've been at the bank now for 22 years, and we've never had anything like this so quickly. Usually you have time, but when the Fed meets and every other month or every month they're increasing rates, and they're increasing them 75 basis points. It's just not small increases; they're large. It's been impactful, but with inflation and those type things going on in our economy, the consumers are the ones that are really going to be struggling, especially if they have any kind of variable rates and things like that. Yeah. So just something that we'll keep our eye on, and hope we'll see an end to the increases and give those a chance to take hold. But it has definitely been a challenge for us.
So, Leitha, what about from a marketing perspective? What's kind of the elevator pitch that you sell about the bank, about Citizens?
Well, we are certainly a hometown bank. Local decisions, quick answers, people although we may be hometown, we're still innovative, and we can offer innovative products and services. And so we're not just a small bank that can offer big products. We can, and so we're always looking for new ideas and growing our technology to offer to our customers. So our goal is to meet the needs of our customers, whatever they are, and so we're always trying to do that.
And as sophisticated as certainly the financial industry has become, leveraging just a variety of tools, which we all enjoy, we all appreciate, still no substitute for that face-to-face interaction.
Oh, absolutely not. Customers, they like technology, but there comes a time when they want to talk to a a person
Sure.
and look somebody in the eye. And that's one thing that's really good about Citizens Bank is you can always get to a person and talk to somebody.
Yeah.
And Gerard, if I can
Yeah.
just piggyback, Leitha
Sure.
and I, it was funny, we were looking through an old ad. I mean, this was probably 80s maybe,
Yeah.
and in one of the old ads we had that we've actually brought back and used again, it's big enough to serve you but small enough to know you. And
Absolutely.
I think that resonates. I think that's exactly what people want. They want stability. They want some girth in a financial institution, but they want that hometown feel and that intimate relationship. I know you guys do a great job with that.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming on Middays. We're at the top of the hour. That means SuperTalk News, Fox News coming your way.